Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So, we're supposed to do the diorama episode today, but I have some pretty exciting news to share with you guys. I promise you guys, next episode, we are gonna check out the fresh retro diorama video. Yesterday, on May 17th, Joytoy announced that they're gonna release a series of 1/18th action figures with guess who? Games Workshop. It's coming soon in June. It's gonna be really soon. Now, that's huge for Joytoy, right? If I'm not mistaken, it's their first time working with such a huge company. Okay, in the past, they have released other licensed action figures like The Wandering Earth, which is a Netflix feature film, and also the Operation Red Sea. I think it's a Chinese military show movie. But for this upcoming project, it's gonna be huge, especially if they want to target or penetrate the market in North America, because we know that Games Workshop produces Warhammer 40k, right? It is perhaps one of the most, if not the most popular miniature tabletop war game in the world, period. This next news is going to be as awesome as the first news because a week ago, Joytoy released a series of 1/18 lineup. They call it the 10th Flying Cavalry, which I will be getting. It's gonna be my first 1/18th Joytoy figure. I've heard a lot about them, but I haven't gotten them yet. The first type is the heavy armor type A and B. This is the slightly expensive ones, and the second type would be the light armor A, B, and C. They are selling like hot cakes right now. They're gonna be running out pretty soon. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, I have no idea. But people, let me tell you this. This is the one that I'm really excited about. It is a Mecha. For the first time ever, Joytoy is releasing a transformable, convertible 1/18th Mecha. We have the XHLA01 and the XHH02. You can convert it or transform it into bikes. It's about $50, but it doesn't come with a soldier, so you just have to get yourself a soldier. And here's another piece of news for you guys. There's a third 1/18th Mecha, which is limited mystery edition. Nobody knows what color is it gonna be. I'm gonna get that one, people. So make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna make a review video on the Mecha. Guys, Joytoy is not stopping. They're on fire, man. I'm telling you. They have released a bunch of 1/18th models this year, but the best is yet to come. If you follow me on my social media or subscribe to my channel, you know that I like all these 1/24th or 25th scale models and figures, right? So the word on the street is that they are releasing it later this year. So for today's episode, we're gonna review or check out one of the older Rhino Scout car. Okay, let's see. What do we have over here? Nothing much. Just a box and two plastics. If you take it out, it feels pretty heavy, but as usual, the color is pretty nice. Some details and weathering. It has this missile launcher as well, which is the same as the previous Rhino car. Okay, one of the things that I like about this car is that you can actually fit a few soldiers at the back, but you just gotta watch out um, how you open it, I guess. Alright, if you want to open up the front, you can just, yeah, it's like a rooftop. You can't really turn the wheels. Okay, the turret here, the gun on the side, you can't really turn it around. Now compared to the other one, you can see that it is slightly bigger. In fact, here's the size. It is about 11 centimeter tall, which I think is 4 inches, and 12 centimeter wide and 21 centimeter long. So yeah, it is a little bit bigger than the previous Rhino car. That's it for today. If you enjoy my video, please click some buttons, like, share, subscribe. Next week, we're gonna check out the fresh retro scene in box diorama. It's almost done. We're gonna do it. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you the next time.